Welcome back, YouTubers. M.V.W modified. Brand new motor mounts, left and right. They're on my Audi A4 now. Let me show you. Put on the light. You can see here on the driver's side that is a new motor mount, and on the other side, the right side, you can see here also there's the new motor mount. You can see almost everything is back in order. We're gonna put back the air filter box, the air tunnel up there, those two up here. So they've been changed. Here are the old ones. You can see here, driver's side, the old one. You can see here, in one moment, the light on. You can see here, it was leaking hard. So that one is totally lost. So that's garbage now. And of course on the upper side, you can see here the little tort. The rubber is dried out. So that's an old one. And there was the other side. There was the one I had from the garbage, from the junkyard. But also this one was an old number. And when I was changing this side, I thought, yeah, can better do both sides new. Then it's better than one old and one new. So that was the reason I changed both of them. So now I got two new motor mounts. I got to search in my book for the torque spec, and then I got two new motor mounts. So see you in the next movie. Don't forget, subscribe, follow button, and you see my next movie as soon as possible. See you in the next movie. Bye.